I just put on these eyelashes. And I did a small little tutorial so you guys can see the lashes. Because I get a few questions about how you put lashes on. So I did that for y'all. Let me know what you think. Let me know if that helps. A few things that you guys want to have is eyelashes. Make sure you have a tweezer. You want to make sure you have mascara, eyelash glue, or hair glue. Make sure you have some sort of scissors. I like these ones, but you could just use the regular scissors. Sometimes the eyelash strip is longer than your actual lash strip. So you want to kind of cut that eyelash strip off so it can match your eye length. So I'm just going to clip a little bit right there. And then clip like the excess from the back part. And I'm going to do the same to the other eyelash. Next, what we can do is to put the eyelash glue on there. So if you're using like the dual eyelash glue, you should put that on first because it takes a minute for it to dry. So you want to put that on there like that. And you can just sit them to the side. I'm just going to sit them there and let them chill for a little while so they can dry. Put them off to the side. And then, so what I'm going to do is take some mascara and I'm going to coat my eyelashes with mascara. Put mascara on helps your eyelashes blend with the fake eyelashes, the false eyelashes. So, just put a little mascara on them. I believe it's easy when you stick the middle on first. Like that, the middle. Go to the side portion. Go to the inner portion. Stick the inner part on. Then go to the back. And sometimes, depending on what eyelash glue you use, if you didn't let it dry, sometimes it'll take a minute for your eyelashes to kind of mirror each other. And so when I first learned how to do eyelashes, I always just kind of grab the eyelashes together and clamp the eyelashes down. And you want to get the eyelash as close to your lash line as possible. You want to hold your eyelash like this. Get a good grip from the middle. Okay. So we're going to stick the middle on. And we're going to stick it as close to the lash line as possible. And then you just look at your eye just to see. Sometimes it helps if you look down in the mirror. And you can fix whichever part you feel comfortable fixing first. And then that's it. And if they don't feel like they're really on good, you could just clamp down. Sometimes you got to make sure they on, because sometimes you will have them little runaway eyelashes. And so you clap them down on your eye like that. There, sis. So that's how you do some eyelashes, sis. So this is my mini eyelash tutorial. And let me know what you guys think about this video. And I'll see you guys in another one.